ding bang ka ngaihsut theih ka lungsim gimnate adam theihna ding nangmah topa hong ompih ka haksatna teng nangtana theihsa ka khitui luante zong na theih.
Lord, without you in my life, I cannot think of what is good for my weary heart to be healed. You, Lord, be with me. All my hardships, you know them.
Topa Nang Loin ka nungta theih na kiang ka naih ka nuntakna na khut siangtho nong ding ka deih Tawntung Nang kiang ka khawl nuam ka khua-vak ka lametna ka nangmah ka Pasian Nangmah.
Oh Lord, without you I cannot live. If I am not close to you, my life is hard. I desire to be kept by your holy hand. I want to rest in your presence forever. You are my light, my hope, my joy. Only you, you are my God.
Khawl zinna galmai kidim laya nang ompih na ka lungsim khamon kapay na ding lam na khutin hong hil ka haksatna ding nang hong sop siang ka theihsa na ding hong hilau topa na tukam siangtho ka zui theihna ding.
The way I should go, your hand shows me. My footsteps, you clear the path for them. Help me understand, Lord, so that I can follow your holy commandment.
Leitung min thana kem piu bei zo ding sum le pai kem piu bei tawntung ding a tawntung kian lo naihna bek tawntung kami deih hong ompih.
Only your love the world will diminish. Forever be with my love people.
Topa Nang Loin ka nungta theih na kiang ka naih ka nuntakna na khut siangtho nong ding ka deih Tawntung Nang kiang ka khawl nuam ka khua-vak ka lametna ka nangmah ka Pasian Nangmah. Topa Nang Loin ka nungta theih